Meaning of goose egg.
Goose egg.
Goose egg.
Goose egg.
Goose egg. The term goose egg is used to describe the number 0 or a score of 0 in a game or competition. This expression likely comes from the shape of a goose egg, which is round and resembles the number 0. It can be used to express disappointment or failure, particularly in sports, or a team or player failing to score any points or goals in a game would be said to have laid a goose egg. The phrase has been in use since at least the early 20th century and continues to be a common idiom in English.